Krishna. Today I am going to narrate a story of Damodar Leela. One day, Yashoda Maiya was churning butter and Krishna Bhagwan was sleeping. And suddenly, Krishna Bhagwan woke up. Lord Krishna. And he went to Mother Yashoda and do the action of that he is hungry, tired. Then Yashoda Maiya gave him some milk and feed him. Then she heard the noise that the milk is falling down. So she kept Lord Krishna and went to save the milk. When she went to save the milk, Krishna Bhagwan said, "Mama!" But she didn't listen, so he got angry and he took up one rock and break the butter pot. And when the butter came out, he took some butter and ate some butter and ran away into the butter room. Then he started giving all the monkeys some butter. And do you know how did he got butter? The butter was hanging up. So there was a big wooden motor. The motor was upside down, and he climbed on the motor and took some butter and gave the monkey, the rabbits some butter. Then after some time, Yashoda Maiya came and saw the butter pot broken. And then she followed the footprints of Lord Krishna Bhagwan. Then at last she took a stick and opened the butter room. Then she saw Krishna Bhagwan eating butter. Then she went over there and with a stick. Then Lord Krishna Bhagwan turned his head and saw Yashoda Maiya coming. So he climbed down the motor and ran. And Yashoda Maiya ran behind Krishna with a stick. At last, Yashoda Maiya was tired. So when that time Krishna Bhagwan saw Yashoda Maiya tired. So he went near to Yashoda Maiya and Yashoda Maiya caught him. She saw that Krishna Bhagwan is crying. So she threw the stick from her hand and tied him with the rope to the motor. At that time, she told, before tying the Krishna Bhagwan, she told that you sit down quietly over here and be a good boy.
Just short.
Be a good boy and don't cry. Then when she would time, every time it was 2 inch short. Then when Krishna Bhagwan saw that Yashoda Maiya is tired, so he pulled the rope and gave to Yashoda Maiya and told, "Now you can tie." Says Yashoda. Then Yashoda Maiya tied Krishna. Krishna Bhagwan. Then after time Krishna Bhagwan, she told that I will come back in a minute after doing all my jobs. Then Krishna Bhagwan sat for some time like a baby, and the motor got stuck between the two twin trees. He kept on crawling. After some time, the trees fell down with a loud noise. Then two brilliant people came out. The name was Nala Kuber and Manigriva. They speak with Krishna and vanished into the sky. After then, Nand Maharaj came with that loud noise and opened Krishna Bhagwan from that rope and asked him what did happen. Then Krishna Bhagwan said, two came and boom! So the two boys who were watching, they told that Krishna Bhagwan was crawling and then the tree fell down and two brilliant people came and they speak to Krishna and they vanished into the sky. So then after that, listening Krishna, that Krishna told boom. So now here I am going to end my story. Now I am going to sing a song. Little Krishna, you love Vrindavan. Little Krishna, you love the universe. Then Yashoda Maiya came and took Krishna, and when Yashoda Maiya was taking Lord Krishna, then that time Krishna Bhagwan asked, is Krishna bad? How can be Krishna bad? Yashoda Maiya told. And hugged Krishna Bhagwan. Thank you. Hare Krishna.